In this video, let's see a numerical problem based on the concept of matrices. We already know what is a matrix, how to solve problems related to it. We have seen the matrix multiplication also, and in this video, we'll be using all those previous concepts to move forward. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started. If A is equal to, that means I have been given a matrix A which is a 2 by 2 matrix, as you can see. So it is a square matrix which has the elements row wise, if I read 1, 2, 2, 1. And I have been given a function. The function is what? It is x square minus 2x minus 3. Show that f of A is 0. I need to show that f of A is what? It is 0, right? Now, what to do in these questions? I know f of x, and if I have to find out f of A, what do I need to do? I need to substitute the value of A in place of x. So, let's write the solution. The solution or the proof would be what? I need to first find out what is f of A. If I will find, only then I will show that it is 0, right? So, I will substitute A in place of x. So, it becomes what? It becomes A square minus 2A minus 3, right? Now, what is the value of A? A is given to me as the matrix, but what about A square? That means I have to find out A square first. So, let's find out A square. A square is nothing but A multiplied by A. That means the two matrices should be multiplied, and it is self multiplication only because the first matrix A is multiplied by A itself. Now, what is the matrix? It is 1, 2, 2, 1. I write it 1, 2, 2, 1, and it has to be multiplied again with the same matrix 1, 2, 2, 1. How to do the multiplication? We know it. We learnt it earlier. This row multiplied by this column. Then again this row multiplied by the second column, then second row multiplied by first column, second row multiplied by second column. That's it. So, let's write the values. 1 ones are makes 1, plus 2 into 2 makes 4. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. Repeating again, 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 into 2, 4. Done. What about the multiplication of these two things? I mean the first row and the second column. So, it is 1 into 2, 2, plus 2 into 1, 2. So, 2 plus 2 makes it 4. Repeating again, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So, 2 plus 2 is 4. Moving again to the second row now. So, the second row multiplied by the first column. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Repeating again, 2 into this one is 2. 1 into this 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 gives it 4. Now, this row and this column, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, I have these things listed, that means I have A square. When I have A square, what to do now? Just substitute the value. So, I have A square. What about 2A? 2A will be what? If you have a matrix A, you just need to do something called as 2 multiplied by that matrix. That is known as scalar multiplication. We did it earlier, right? So, what is 2A? Let's see first. That means 2A I need to compute. So, it means 2 multiplied by the given matrix. So, I write 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2, 1, right? And now, it means every element has to be multiplied by the scalar quantity 2. So, what is the resultant new matrix? It is 2, because 2 ones is 2, 2 twos are makes it 4, 2 twos are makes it 4, 2 ones are makes it 2. So, it is 2, 4, 4, 2, right? We have this, what about 3? 3 is actually a number. Subtraction, addition, matrix to matrix, not of number in a matrix. So, I need to treat this as a matrix only. Treating this as a matrix is possible when 3 is modified as 3 into 1, because 3 itself means 3 ones are 3. Now, this 1 is actually what? It is a number again. I need a matrix in place of this number. So, let's make it as identity matrix. I2 I write. Why do I write I2? Because I know that I am dealing with a square matrix of the order 2 by 2. So, it has to be I2. Now, let's see how the story changes. I am just substituting the values. I know A square. What is A square? 5, 4, 4, 5. 5, 4, 4, 5. Then it is minus 2a. Minus 2 into a. The value is what? 2442. 2442. And last but not the least, I have minus 3i2. Now I2 is what? Identity matrix of the order 2. You know 3i2 will be what? 3i2 will be 3 into 1001. Because I2 is what? Identity matrix of the order 2. Multiply 3003 you get, right? Multiplying by 3 each element, 3003, substitute the value, minus 3003. Right? Now see, 2 and minus 3 here, this is 4, 0 here and stuff going on. Both these are minus. What is minus minus? It is plus. That means you have to add them. So 2 plus 3 gives it 5 and that 5 minus 5 will become what? It will become 0. What I am trying to say is that these things when added give a new matrix. What is that new matrix? It is basically 5, 4, 4, 5. How come 5, 4, 4, 5? 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 and 3 makes 5, 4 and 0 makes 4 and so on. So the matrix given and these matrices basically minus each other and they cancel and nullify each other. You see here, the resultant of this matrix is this matrix in the red ink and these two basically have minus sign, so become 0. So that means the whole value of f of a is turning to be what? F of a is basically turning out to be 0 and that is what I needed to prove. So in this video we saw a numerical problem based on the concept of multiplication of matrices. We were given a matrix and we were supposed to put it in the function and prove its value as equal to 0.